Hey, good morning everyone. Good morning chat. Welcome guys. How's it going? How are you today? Morning. Good evening for some of you out there. How you doing guys? Hope you have an amazing time. Hey Martin. Hey Badger, welcome Shivam. What a beautiful time. Daniels. Good to see you everyone. Chris. Come on guys, let's just go ahead and share this live stream with all the community members, pretty much all the trading groups that we know. Let's just go ahead and share the presentation. Share the live stream with all the fellas out there. What a beautiful time to be alive, as usually. We're quite happy for every day. Let's go. Been looking into the 12 hours charts. 12-hour candlesticks. It's very bullish. Morning fellas, morning everyone. Someone is not that optimistic today. Look at that. This is an important trending line that we broke out today. So the 15-minute, even though it has double rejection in the previous candlesticks, we're still not facing continuation of the selling pressure. Right, so the rejection appears slightly above the 40s. Welcome Twister, welcome everyone, Nick Patel. Make sure to like the video guys, come on, let's go ahead and like this one. Bring up the numbers and have some exciting day, some exciting moments. $159,607 on my 4 accounts on Tap One Futures with a drawdown $9,500. Look at that, away. It is absolutely mind-blowing. What a comfortable situation I'm here. Also, these are the 5 accounts that I have with the TickTick Trader new formula, straight to funded plus. We've got 2 points. Good morning, Oliver. Crypto market as well is, look at that, dealing with a level above 109,000, close to 110 for the Bitcoin, assuming in July Bitcoin, as we talked about, is going all-time high.
Order filled.
Looking forward to gaining my
Order filled.
3rd point on the profit score. Welcome Lorenzo. Hey. Good to see you guys. Appreciate it. As I said, looking for confirming my 3rd point, which means I have to do another $500. That's all I need right here. A movement into 48. And by the way, cheers everyone.
Order filled.
3 points needed from the current level. That's all we're targeting here. Morning everyone, good afternoon, good evening for some of you. Make sure to like the video. We've got $50,000 straight to funded giveaway scheduled for the time. That's what we have on Wednesday.
Order filled.
About 4 points needed here. Expecting the markets to continuously climb. We're trading above everything today. Of course, there is resistance appearing around 960s, which is not the easiest to deal with. It's a supply level constructed during the past 24 hours to 48 hours. Morning, Babar. But we just have a 4 or 5 points target here for the 570s, which is another point. It would be our third point. 7 more needed for the payout. And that's just great. Let's go, guys. Once we clear the 960s, we're gonna get straight into 23,100s. Oh, that's lovely. 1,200 is not that much. You don't want to force it. Right, so do not become greedy, especially if it's your last day of trading or the last few days. Do not change anything than what it has worked in terms of discipline and risk management. Very important. Any change is actually bringing a psychological structural difficulty. Like there is a cost of doing a change of adaptation. Let's go, guys. This is not a difficult target. 2 more points needed and we're fine for today. That was a lovely 1 minute candlestick. We didn't have any rejection on it. I'm longing my other account on Tap on futures as well.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go. 2 days. Well, you don't have to hurry up, certainly not. Come on, guys. This would be the 3rd point for our 5 accounts. On TickTick Trader, straight to funded plus accounts, the new ones we've talked about in the video. 2 little points. Now, you certainly don't have to trade with 10 contracts if you're not having a specific strategy for that. This is one thing that everyone needs to accept, that what works in my case is not needing to work in all the traders' cases. which is why the way we trade is very personal, guys, is very personal. And at the end of the day, trading is a custom experience that has to be built by fighting through the exercise continuously, going through losses, going through difficulties, going through challenges. This is what trading is, with a positive outcome, of course. Yeah, we kind of have to find our ways, let's put it that way. And we have missed here an interesting target. We've been 2 points away. It's not something I like to see. We're gonna get stopped out there. We're certainly gonna get stopped out. This is pretty unlucky, guys. $1,480. We're gonna lose 1 point and 1,500. Very, very likely. This is what it looks like for the moment. Let's go, come on. If you're hearing some weird noises, constructing labor works going around, you know, this is a very small target here, going with the momentum that has not been, but we got lucky here, guys. Look at that. This is exactly the meaning of being lucky. Look at that. This is exactly one single tick. We were down 36.75. And our stop loss is on 36.5. So that's a single tick. Come on, all the way to the take profit. All the way to the take profit to our target 946. We should have some tariff deals announced today. We're gonna find out more about it. Let's go, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. This has been a very aggressive position, as you can see. 2 points needed from here.
Order filled.
I'm also increasing my position on tap 1 futures. Target around the 50s. And then back to TickTick Trader,
filled.
close to be taking profit. There you go, 520 successfully. We just got it. 3rd point achieved. I gotta admit, we've been lucky with that one, especially with a stop loss there. $101,610. That means we are $3,520 away from the max loss. And we are having 3 points accumulated. Yeah. Nothing to complain, right? When it comes down to such situations, when you're just 1 tick away from the stop loss and you get to touch the target of your day. That's absolutely lovely. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Let's find out more what happens on the other side for my top 1 futures, where we've got tons of money in the accounts. These are the accounts we actually got paid. This is why we have so much. We already started trading. We have 3 days of profit here. We have to trade some more. We have to bring this one way above 160. In your second cycle, you gotta make 7,500. So I think we have to bring this one somewhere around 164 or something like that. Beautiful, 520. I like to continue trading my other SimPro accounts. I'm gonna connect the other copy trader from 1 to 5, because now we were trading from 6 to 10 in terms of accounts that I've named. Now we're trading from 1 to 5. This is not looking too good. We failed the continuation here. We were
Order
I'm
filled.
selling 4 contracts. I'm going to accept a loss. We've got more than $8,000 room for the drawdown. How much do you take with 10 contracts, if that's what you're asking? Well, with 10 contracts, each tick is worth good money, right? Including each point. $20 per point. 10 contracts is $200 per point. 5 points, $1,000. Because we're trading the minis. So 5 points, $1,000. Testing out along from here.
Order filled.
Oh. That's a huge spread. And I'm DCing a little bit at this
Order
time.
filled.
So this is the other 5 accounts that I'm trading right now on TickTick Trader. You know, we've got 10 and we spread that into 2 groups for the straight to funded plus. Yesterday we lost on this ones. We lost the 1,500. So we lost also 1 point. But today we only have to do at least $500, which is going to give me
Order filled.
pretty much sufficient to grab my point. I could make more, that's right. There's no consistency, that's a significant advantage we have with this accounts. There is no consistency. It's just that they're based with profit score. We should have some tariff news announced today. Some deals, which I think will help the markets.
Order filled.
$940s on my target. That's less than 4 points. Let's go, guys. Come on. You see, that $500 should not be the most difficult part to do. If you're going with a momentum, I think we have some good chances for big payouts. Look at that. Target has not been touched, just a single tick away. Now we're a single point away.
Order filled.
Beautiful. So we touched the target of all the 10 accounts on TickTick Trader straight to Funded Plus. Great. Great. Let's go for the fireworks. That's lovely. That's a lovely moment, guys. So we recovered a point that we lost yesterday. We've recovered this one back. Let me share with you. Performance stats. Here are the stats. In the first day we made a point, in the second day we lost a point, and in the third day we've made a point. So we have 1 point right now. We need 10. But the other 5 accounts are having 3 points. So the maximum you can lose in a day is just a single point. That's the beauty part about it. You cannot lose 2 points or 3 points in a day. So this thing can only drag you back with a single point in a day. I still have some other, the old sim funded accounts. On TickTick Trader, I'm gonna trade those ones as well a little later, but now we're gonna focus on my top 1 futures. I'm gonna sit around this account and see what can I do. This 15-minute candlestick we have right now is not looking too exciting, to be honest with you. Yet the 1 minute is still following the same idea
Order
of the
filled.
structure, so...
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
accept. I've accepted another partial loss. I've sold basically 4 contracts. I am observing the markets on higher time frame analysis pre-live stream, right? So I do start doing the technicals from the daily, 12 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour candlesticks, and I'm walking through this whole thing. And then I do my LTF low time frame setups. There's gonna be a stop loss right below this whole structure.
Order filled.
We got stopped out there. I think this is going down in
Order
the way it
filled.
looks here. I think this is coming below the 30s.
Order filled. Order filled.
If we get to the 1 minute for a bit of analysis, we'll see that there's a 200 EMA, the first moving average of 200 days appearing on 9/27. Right, so we would not become bearish at all by touching that. And of course, let's not forget about the meaningful levels that we have down here around 900s. The only problem about shorting during this moment is if we have some news around tariffs, some deals established and announced, this is going to help the markets to the upside suddenly. In the price section, for the moment, we clearly see the pressure constantly applied against the bulls right there. So we have a challenging level around 932.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's a challenging level. The rejection we have here could be another great lower high pattern applied, but we just have to pressure 32. We got to get there quickly. Otherwise, I'm going to decrease my size if we don't get there quickly right now. It's not going to be a good idea to sit in this trade anymore. The theory is going to get invalidated. Beautiful. Come on. Keep pressing. Keep pressing right now. We got some, in this specific structure, we've got some highly leveraged long fellas waiting. So a squeeze below 32 is absolutely healthy. It's a beautiful looking candlestick for the moment. Come on. You know, I'll have an exit on 31.25. 931.25. A limit order. I'm going to exit 5 contracts there in case the market reverses. Other than that, I'm pretty much fine waiting for the moment. Putting the stop loss right above the current candle, guys. I'm gonna accept the 120 bucks loss. 2 points away from the current price. That's where the stop loss is right now. Very tight. Yet there is no other scenario here accepted by my knowledge. If this is short, it has to continue right now. Come on. That was a pretty decent. No, I'm out.
Order filled.
That was it, guys. You know, we sold it on kind of break even, but that was it in terms of their force. There was an opportunity here for the bears to take it below the blue line. You see, they're not delivering. We're trading here. You know, this can, if it's finding a strong demand level on the 30s like it looks so far, this is gonna rip some faces above 50s like never seen before. Morning, good day, guys. Make sure to like the video to participate in the giveaway. And of course, thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Have a lovely day. We've made money on 10 accounts for the TickTick trader. We've been copy trading 2 groups of 5, so we've been doing our necessarily targets. And now I'm continuing with my top 1 futures. We're down 1,700 on this 4 accounts. Yeah, I'm looking for discovering. You know, this 5-minute candle we have here is strongly bullish. Unless the whole part of it is getting denied.
Order filled.
Which is certainly not something I would
Order filled.
heavily expect.
Order filled.
That's why I'm more with the upcoming candlestick to be green, which could actually give us 10 points, and that's something that I'm really happy about. Let's not forget about the bullish possibilities on the news today, with some great deals on the tariffs. Good morning. $9.49 on my target, breaking above the previous double top we had. Yes, straight to funded. They're straight to funded plus accounts. They're straight to funded, of course. I have a video about them on my YouTube channel recently posted. The last video I posted is a review of their new accounts. Stop loss is going to be on my entry, guys, here. We're basically trailing on a proper candlestick. That 5-minute looks amazing. And it actually seeks continuation above the previous high, above the 50, so I can actually increase my target. I should also be careful here. I don't want to trail myself out of the game. 10 seconds to go for this 5-minute candlestick that I think is important. Not expecting from the new one not to get at least to 48. At least. Yes, I'm trading TickTick Trader new point system. I'm trading also their old accounts too. I'm trading tap on futures as well. So I'm trading on 2 instant funding prop firms, different type of accounts. If you talk about their other sim funded accounts in TickTick Trader, their target is 7,500 for the safety net. And if you want to withdraw, you have to make money above the safety net. Right, so money above the safety net is possible to be cashed out. We got into that 48 I was telling you. And now let's find out more about it, guys. Come on. We're trailing above the candlestick. We have to do it. And also I'm increasing my target. We have a wick on 52. $855 are secured here in case we reverse. In the new point system for the TickTick Trader on 5 accounts, we already have 3 points collected. Because we got 10 accounts there. 7 to go. Which means I have to do $3,500 without consistency during at least 7 days. Keep grinding, come on. I'm not exiting. Beautiful, look at that one. Oh! Our take profit has not been touched, guys. Look at that. We got a little unlucky. We got a little unlucky there. Yeah, I'm not panicking right now. I haven't started trading today. I'm not panicking. With that 5-minute candlestick and the way it looks like, not panicking at all. I might do a partial exit. Oh, the stream yesterday had some problems, some network issues. Hey, good to see you. We're sitting above the 50s right now, which is an interesting point. That's why I'm not panicking. Actually, I'm increasing my take profit, but I didn't have time. So, we sold on take profit. We're up 579 and we were down 1,700. So we've made here, what was that? $2,300, right? On this 4 accounts. We brought the account up to 160 grand, guys. Boom. There you go. I'm not even trading this account anymore today. I'm very happy with this target. Because we have 10 accounts in profit on TickTick Trader and 4 on Tap on Futures. So today we have 14 straight profit, 0 losses. Keep going. Cheers, everyone. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Let's go, Master Trader. Come on. Look at that. Do we have some heavy news? Do we have some Trump post? What's happening here with this Wix, with the liquidity here? 16 points, 15 points down just like that in the middle of nothing. Look at that.
Order filled.
I'm shorting 2 contracts here.
Order filled.
Adding 2 more to this. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
I don't like this. What's happening, guys? 271 accepted. This is a brand new account. Almost a brand new account. Looking into the 4 hours. This is looking very bullish, guys. But I have to slow down a little. Blessings as well, Adrian Lorenzo. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone. So we bring the numbers to the moon and continue our great trading. 14 accounts profitable today. 14 out of 14 traded, plus this one that we're working with right now. We're having FOMC meetings today at 2 p.m. EST time. And tomorrow unemployment claims. That's pretty much all about the 2 days. Good morning, guys. Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining. Make sure to like the video. And we've got the $50,000 giveaway for the TickTick traders straight to funded plus accounts, which is working based on profit score. We've got 3 points already sitting there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Here's the Discord link, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Can we just get above 50s? So I can do break even, otherwise this is not a place for me to stay. Although it should deliver some more rejection on this red candle. I don't like this. This is definitely not looking the most exciting for the bullish scenario. I'm gonna accept a loss a little higher if I get a chance into 44. I'm gonna happy to accept. A loss in that 44. I don't think I'm gonna get that. So I'll just take a loss from here. This 5-minute engulfing we have here is definitely difficult, guys, to be trading on longs. This obviously wants to send the market down around the 920s, 915.
Order filled.
Oops, this is not the account I'm supposed to trade. This is the TickTick trader account. This is not the place I'm supposed to trade. This is the place I wanted to trade on my top one.
Order filled.
So I'm going to exit here. If you're having multiple tabs, multiple accounts, you might get confused. Get out of this trade. I don't want to sit here. I'm out.
Order filled.
540, that's fine. Come on. We can actually nicely drop this like a cliff. Right there, 916. Forza Matteo. Let's go. 14 accounts profit today. Not bad at all. Make sure to like the video, everyone, especially to qualify for the giveaway. Stick with us till the end. Stop loss on my entry. Oh, look at that, guys. What the... Look at the wick, guys. What's going on here? This is madness. Our take profit has not been touched. What the hell is going on? Look at this, guys. So let me share with you. 22.75, and our take profit was on 22.50. 1,860. Look at that. 22.75. One single tick. And now the markets are close to my entry. What the hell is going on here? I could get out of this trade on 360. You know, I'm not going to touch this for the moment. I like to see this one coming a little lower, and then I'll have to exit, of course. Liquidity has been grabbed. Maybe around 9:30s I'm going to be out. There you go, 9:31, I'm fine to be out. But that was a disaster. One tick away from the stop loss, one tick away from the take profit. Now I'm out
Order
here.
filled.
I'm out here because this is gonna up. And my stop loss is going to be touched on break even, so I better secure $200, $250, $300 profit, right? What a silly situation, guys. One tick away. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's nice when it's one tick away from your stop loss, right? But that's not the same when you're one tick away from your take profit and you have such a great profit. Oh my god. And the thing is, I would have sold if the market would have not recovered so quickly back. It was a fat finger order. Had no time to sell 2, 3, 4 points away from my take profit. It just went back 15 points. That's crazy, guys. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We've got the giveaway. Don't forget about it. Also, any links for anything, coupon code is Scramble, maximum discount for those of you interested. I am trading Tap 1 futures. Here's the link for the Tap 1 futures. You also got the link for my Discord, and then here's the link basically for TickTick Trader. Let's go, guys. Come on. What's happening? "15-second candle."
Order filled. Order filled.
We've got 28 minutes to go till the US opening. Let's go for some liquidity in the highs. What do you guys think about? I mean, this is exactly the level we've been finding support and defending throughout the past couple of hours. It's a nice demand zone. As soon as we grab 37, 38, I'm going to be break even.
Order filled.
You know what's happening with this straight to funded plus accounts on TickTick Trader with a profit score, with the points? If you have a good day, you should let your runners push, because you don't have consistency. Think about it.
Order filled.
And this is why in this 5 accounts, I'm going to try to make some extra money here, especially that I lost 1,500 yesterday. I'm trying to make some extra money here. So I'm going to leave these 3 contracts open at this time in the way it is. Let's get back to the Tap 1 futures. Come on, keep going, guys. It's looking beautiful. Stop loss on my entry. All the way back into 945. Exactly, Tony. The extra money you have, you could transfer. Good day, buddy. You could transfer the extra money you have, but at the same time, that extra money helps you during the exercise of reaching the payouts, because you can only lose a maximum of 1 point in a day, even though that could maximum cost you $1,500, because that's where your daily loss limit is set. So that's where the gap starts speaking. Keep going, come on. This is the name of the game, guys, in the trade. Profit. There you go. Beautiful profit. 830. And we have a nice situation here as well. I'm not exiting, guys. I'm putting the stop loss and break even. I don't care about this one. We've got 532. We got our point, and we're building extra buffer here. We're moving this money to live. Let's go, guys. Where are the fireworks? Scramble is just about profits today. 15 accounts for the moment out of 15 traded is full profit. 15 out of 15. Boom. What a lovely day. Not gonna lie to you, we're gonna knock some belugas. Yeah, I bought the new accounts. We've got 10 of them, look at that. Here are the new accounts, we've got 10 of them. And we're copy trading 5 and 5. Right, so we have separated them in 2 groups. I don't want to be aggressive on 10 accounts out of 10. It's $2,400 all the 10 accounts, so it's not a small amount of money to be aggressive with all the 10. I'm not feeling that successful to trade all the 10 at the same time. So I want to be a little defensive. Yeah, you know my style with minis. I'm compensating with my style. Let's go, guys. We're not going to exit out of this. We're going to put a trailing right below this whole structure. Obviously, if this turns back, I have to be out. You gotta trade smartly. No take profit at the moment. There's no rules about minimum trade duration. You can do micro scalping. Yes, you can do it. You can trade around the news. There is no such rules. You are free to trade in whatever way you want. That's why I think it's very interesting. It's a unique concept. Not many people like it because it's about points, profit score, but they're not really familiar with the concept yet. Once you get a taste of it, you have no consistency, guys. Think about it. Look at that. We've made here another 1,000 additional. Yeah, 5-pack bundle gives you a decent discount right there. I mean, speaking about trading and courses is something as a main subject, a main topic, right? But I think this is going to break out for the moment. We're not having a take profit here, guys. I mean, our take profit is 435, but let me go for the breakout here. Obviously, you need to have some knowledge to trade, and you need to get that knowledge from somewhere. So a mentorship program would not be bad. Yeah, the most valuable part is learning from your experience, brainstorming, putting documentation on your trading, recording, filming, explaining, writing things down, and trying to find the answers is basically the most valuable part. No course, no educational program will have the ability to move your hands and think instead of you. So there's always a gap between the theoretical part and the practical side. It's always a gap. We got people that in theory are amazing. They know all the things about trading, but when it comes down to the practical side, no. Look at that. So I could move right down my trailing all the way to 948. I could put my trailing here, right? One below this candle. That's not a bad entry, guys. Look at that. And if you trust your trade and you have no consistency, then you let your winners run. Just the way I did it. And I'm still letting my winners run. And I'm gonna be surprised the way this is going to end. Three minis. Beautiful. 90% is lovely. You can do micro scalping here with TickTick Trader. Let's go, guys. Come on, 1,300. We just broke out of the previous high established here. Look at that. This is a lovely trade, right? 1,400 already. I'm not exiting, guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on, guys. This is absolutely lovely. Like the video, be subscribed to my channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, doing giveaways daily, and having a lovely educational moment as well with our community. I'm trailing. I'm at 435 trail. I'm going to trail this one here too, but I do want to leave a sufficient gap between the live price and the trailing level, because otherwise I'm gonna trail myself out of the game. And this trade is kind of surplus, right? I've got my target today, which means at least 500 bucks. That gives me the 1 point. Right now, whatever I make above is surplus. It's just to have more buffer, more drawdown, and more possibilities to move more money in my live account. Thank you, Jay. Appreciate it. He's got to make some jokes today, certainly. He's got to do the markets go 50 points per second, right? He's going to enjoy that. 962 then down. So I see you spoke with the markets. 962, exactly 962, anywhere going down. Thank you, guys. So, what about the payout? The payout is smooth. Right now, with a new system, is a lot smoother. I've been taking a payout like 3 or 4 months ago from TickTick Trader. They have more than 3 years online, guys. TickTick Trader is a strong prop firm. 962.75, absolutely lovely. I'm gonna trail. Quite soon, I'm gonna trail. I got no reason not to do it, especially if Trump comes out and says silly words. This whole thing is going to disappear in 2 seconds, in blink of an eye. So it's simple to cash out. From the new accounts, it's very simple to cash. I do have a video, but the last video I posted on my channel explains it all to you. Thank you, guys, appreciate it. We're gonna move the trailing soon, but let me just make some extra cash here while speaking to you. We got stuck on 961 for the moment. I mean, once I see the 1 minute candlesticks turning ugly, I'm gonna be out even at a higher level than 855. Good morning. It's through rise. The payout is through rise. Green day today. It's a big green day today. We've got 15 out of 15 traded accounts green. 15 out of 15. That's what we traded today. You guys can see that on the live stream. We've been 1 tick away from the stop loss, and the whole thing recovered and went to the profit. And at the same time, we were 1 tick away from the take profit in another scenario, in another account. And the whole market has just recovered. It went to break even. So pretty much weird. What kind of strategy do I use? Wow, this is hard to explain. This is very hard. We're joking, guys, of course. We use a lot of the things, starting from the pre-live stream analysis on HTF, high time frame, structures across the markets. Then we get into the technical side and the price section. So mainly external news, of course, what is on the agenda. No, this is price section. This is not really just intuition. Intuition is unspoken words that our subconscious explains out of the, instinctual side. Usually we want to make money, so we are getting into the trade and we hope it plays out. Or the other side, we fear something and we get out of the trade because we fear something. So intuition is good as long as it's backed up by some touchable and rational side of the things. That's where intuition is healthy. Otherwise, it's just trading and hoping, right? So we do internal analysis, external analysis on the markets. We do technical price section. Good morning, everyone. Look at that, guys. We are printing. And some of you will say that I've been just printing because I'm lucky. So I don't mind that, right? Because that's the beauty of life. You have to be lucky. Beautiful times. Today we've been playing tennis, guys. And I've been enjoying some. I'd like to go to the Wimbledon. I don't have a ticket, a wild card. I've been following her. Yep. You see right now we could have a distribution there. If we're not breaking out right now and we cannot continue to push, the price section tells me we have a distribution, and that means a risk of correction. So if that's the case, I'm gonna be out. So therefore, I'd like to see the current 1-minute candlestick and the very next candlesticks are very important. I'm from Hungary right now. Jay, you have to see the live stream, Jay, on the accounts I got paid. And see for how many weeks we've been constantly profitable trading under the same principles. I've been in the trading space since 2014, but not day trading. I've been just swing trading crypto. So I bought Bitcoin back in 2014. All the traders that are having a good time, they're lucky, right? Where's our trade? Here's our trade. Good. 960s. Come on. 962.75. That's where things should go. Look at that. Do you guys consider we should trail? Exactly, Anton. And this is not about this account alone. Actually, this is copy traded on 5 accounts. We're having 15 out of 15 today profitable. There's no loss today. So it's a difficult day for those that are hoping that we have losses coming through and we're generating them an environment and a context to be happy. There's no such happiness, guys, for those of you that are expecting me to lose today because the market is not allowing me. Look at that. Whatever I did today, I've been longing it, I've been shorting it. We've made money. And that's not good, right? That's not healthy. That's definitely not healthy, guys. This is a misconception of the reality. We should do something. What do you guys think about this scenario? If I take my trailing from here and I put it right below this whole structure, right? This way. Trailing is, you know, if I put it here and then the market does this. Whoop. What do you think about? This way. This way. More accurately, like that. Right? And then it runs at the end. Right? So it just flies back into my trailing because they see it on the live stream. Like, you cannot lie that. They see where I'm putting my... They see my trailing on the live stream. So you cannot deny that, right? We don't have that many haters. And that's not good, right? It means I'm not that successful. Now, time to sell something. What do you guys think about? If we reject this candlestick, I'm gonna be selling 2 contracts. And I'm just gonna leave a single contract right there for the love of the game, for the love of the gambling. That's what I'm gonna do. With a trading, of course. I know they don't care about my trades, certainly not. It's just a joke. Yeah. Its cousin. So I'm selling 1 contract
Order
here.
filled.
I sold 1 contract. We've got only 2. We had the first exit. Exactly. No, it's the most important part, guys, is to have a good time. You know, I'm not gonna... I have a good time, whatever, guys, you say. I know we're just joking, so I'm not a butthurt.
Order filled.
Sold another contract, guys, right there. And I'm leaving the last one. For the love of gambling, as you guys say. For the love of gambling, we're gonna leave this one active. Good morning, fellas. Make sure to join our Discord community as well. You're not gonna get that many gamblers there. There's more traders, but that's fine. We sold 2 contracts. And we're gonna lift this boy right here for the 23,000 and probably beyond. Make sure to like the video, guys. If you want to participate in the giveaway, which is happening on the stream, like the video. Subscribe to the channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. It's a lovely day. We have 15 out of 15 profitable accounts traded. Green P&L. And this is leader plus 4, so that's 5 accounts. Right, we're gonna vote. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Let's do it this way. We're gonna vote, and you guys will tell me where should I exit. You guys will tell me. Let's just vote. Where should I fully exit? Let's put it that way. So let's think about 23,000. Ducks are gonna come soon. 23.60s and 22.987. Here's the pool, guys. Tell me more about it. I just ask you in the chat. Where should I fully exit? I'm gonna have the trailing. I'm having the trailing in place. I know, Jai. Ducks, they're waiting, right? They have to wait after the profits. They got no choice. There's money to be made here, so they should sleep. There's no time for ducks right now when there's money to be made. I actually forget about the bell. 4 minutes to go and the market explodes. So 43% of you tell me that I should get out on 22.987. Now, should I disappoint you guys and not sell there and sell higher? What do you guys think about this? 23.060s, 36%, and 21% consider on 23,000. You know, there's not much room here for the liquidity, just about 13 points. Tomorrow and Friday we have top 1 futures accounts we're giving out. Today we have TickTick trader accounts. And for those of you that are having multiple YouTube accounts and just switching and guessing numbers, you're not going to be accepted to do that. So you cannot participate the giveaway from 20, 30 YouTube accounts. You cannot do that. Yeah. Ducks are cheating. And this thing right here is gaining some energy to the downside. We're just 8 points away from the trailing. We've made way more than I expected here. We have no consistency on this new accounts on TickTick Trader. So, you know, this is the lovely part about no consistency. You don't care about exiting out of your runners. You just let your runners and make, as a real trader, like they teach us, don't quit early. You know how they teach us? Don't cut your winners early. That's what they teach us on YouTube, right? But we're never able to do that in reality. So with no consistency and good profit made, you no longer care about. That's the secret here. Not to care about your trade anymore. So it makes you more. Look at that. That's the secret. The extra money is great because I can move this one to my live account. So the extra money is lovely. It also helps me with a max trailing drawdown, right? More money helps me. We have 30 seconds, guys, to the bell. No, the entire amount, there is the profit transfer possibility. And I could move the entire amount at some point. Once I am live, I could move the entire amount from the sim funded into the profit account. 5 seconds to go, guys. We're gonna ring the bell. Come on. Good luck, guys. Let's go with the markets up. Keep going. Look at that. Beautiful situation. Beautiful. Look at the entry. Now that's what we love. 23,000. Look at that. I'm out.
Order filled.
There you go. 2,850. I'm out on 23,000. What a lovely trade, guys. Oh my god. Beautiful. No more trailing. Just securing. We have more maximum loss limit distance right now, 4,345. Look at that. Then the size when you buy the account. Because you buy the account on 3,000 drawdown limit, right? That's how you buy the account. 3,000 drawdown limit. And we have 4,345. Beautiful. So there is the possibility, if you're live, to do profit transfer from sim funded into your live account for the TickTick trader. And that's why it's good to have money in your sim funded accounts more and more. What's happening, guys, here with the chart? We are exploding. Are we going all-time high today? What do you guys think about? Like, that's not a difficult target. Certainly not. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. So we bring up the numbers to the moon and get started with the giveaway. Now, we're going to get started with a giveaway very soon. Very, very soon. Tariffs. The deadline has been delayed. Has been advanced to 1st of August. Has been postponed. Our entry was here, guys. Look at that. Trades. Where's my... This is it. 998. That's the one I had. So we got into a 933. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it. 933, and we got out on 998. 998. Single contract made us 1,285. Duration 27 minutes. Like, can I share this trade or no? I don't think so. Looks like I can do a journal. I don't care about that. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Yeah. It was delayed till 1st of August. Good morning, everyone. Make sure to like the video. Hey, what's up, guys? 15 out of 15 today, profit. Yeah, keeps adjusting, hoping that rate cuts are gonna come earlier than the deadlines. The bears, where is the guy? Let me ask you, where is that guy with 22,962.75? Where's that guy? Bowser. 22. What was it? 962.75. There you go. Right, so if this 4-hour candlesticks, this candlestick is not going to get denied and there's 24 minutes to go, you're going to have another rally like this, guys. Look at that, on the 4 hours. This is what I am expecting from here, another movement like that. In the all-time high sector, and then BTC is going to all-time high as well. Let me share with you the chat for the BTC. Daily candlesticks. Look at that. The all-time high is right there. Breaking out, consolidating above the trending line. Clearly showing strength. Now we just have to do that move above 110 and we're going to collect so much liquidity that this is going to go for a rip to the 130s. Great day, Fernandez. Great job. 15 out of 15. Come on. Especially here, 2,850. That's crazy. $10 out of 10 for the... No, we actually have 16 accounts, or just 15. No, probably 15. We have 160 grand here on the Tap on futures. 4 accounts that we trade 160 grand, guys. We're gonna get to the second payout quite soon. Thank you. Algos are hitting it hard to the upside for the moment. S&P as well. Looks beautiful, guys. This is not going to get stuck here. Looking for the upcoming rest of July to be strongly bullish. Let me show you some other things around the crypto space charts. So the total market cap is about to break out. There you go. We have a resistance trending line here coming in. We're about to break out. And then another market cap chart that is very important is the one excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So all the other altcoins. And this is what we have here. Let me share with you on the daily. Look at that. This is beautiful, accurate, and it has been respected so far. So a breakout of the trending line here should give us sufficient energy back to 1.15 trillion quite quickly. And above that, of course. But this should be a good starting point here. This is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the other cryptocurrencies involved. Wow, look at this 5-minute candlesticks. Now, it is time to move on. It is time to get to that point of the live stream. Highly enjoyed. This is the name of the game. This is the name of the game, guys. Time for the giveaway. Everyone needs to listen to the rules. Everyone needs to follow the participation guidelines. This is a $50,000 straight to funded plus account from TickTick Trader. It's instant funded. So you take the account and you make money from the first day. And that's a lovely moment. So, let me tell you guys. How do you participate? First thing, like the video. Everyone, go ahead and like the video. Come on. Second thing, be subscribed. Be subscribed to the YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, trading daily and doing giveaways. But at the same time, educational materials and things that should help you in your trading journey. Great. The third thing is you gotta join my Discord. You have to be part of my Discord. Beautiful. Other things and rules that you should consider. Only one guess per person. Not more. Participation only from a single account. If you are having 10, 15, 20 YouTube accounts and you're switching between the accounts and you're just putting in numbers, we will detect that. And you're not gonna receive the prize. You're not gonna receive the account, right? So do not cheat our community. Only one guest per person, only one account per person. Do not have 5, 10, 20, 30, 40 accounts. Beautiful. Thank you guys, appreciate it. We had a great and lovely live stream today. You can watch this from the beginning till this time. It's just about an hour and 30 minutes so far. And we've got 15 out of 15 accounts profitable, so it was lovely. Now, think about your number, guys, and let's go. Good luck, everyone. Start. Good luck, chat. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess from multiple accounts. You're not going to receive your account. Adam, only one guess per person. I'm already seeing you with 2 guesses. We've got the rules written. We're giving out a $50,000 account, TickTick Trader, straight to funded plus. Alright guys, so that's the end right there. That's the end right there. We are ready to shuffle the wheel, spin the wheel, and then get to the second stage, duck race. Let's do it, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Do not forget, we've got 2 giveaways coming up tomorrow. Good luck, everyone. We have a double 5, but I don't think we stop there. I don't think we stop on the double 5. What do you guys think about? This is going to be yellow 1 or the green 3rd. Look at that. Now we stop there on the 5. That's the winner. Congratulations. Number 5 is the winner today. Beautiful, guys. Number 5 is the winner today. So we're getting to the duck race. We're getting into our duck race for a new qualification. Badger is helping us with a list. We've got 29 winners. 29 winners with number 5. Beautiful. You guys are going to compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds in the second round of this giveaway. The final round. Congratulations. So then you can nicely benefit of an instant funding account. This is going to be pretty fun. Good luck, guys. Looks like Nasdaq is getting close to 23,100s. It's going to all-time high. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna lead and dominate? Let's see. Come on. Keep going. Last minute to go. Who's leading right now is definitely not winning, guys. I'm telling you. There's going to be someone from behind pulling the trigger. What a great time. 30 seconds. We got a few no costume ducks holding it. Is it holding it backwards? I'm from Hungary, Budapest. Middle of Europe. It's the first today and the only one today. Tomorrow we're continuing with 2 giveaways. Who's taking the lead, guys? Oh, look at that. Dadgy Hawk. He's dominating for the last 5 seconds. Who's going to step up? Come on. Number 22, Tommy. You're the winner right there, buddy. Congratulations. What an unexpected outcome. Tommy. There you go. Congratulations. Make sure to reach out to me on Discord. Private message, direct message to me on Discord. Beautiful day we had. Amazing. Boom. We had an amazing day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys once again for watching. Careful on your trading. Careful on your numbers today. And looking forward to it tomorrow. We've got 2 giveaways scheduled. Tomorrow and Friday. We've got 2 and 2. So we've got 4 more. And we're going to have an amazing time. Thank you so much once again. Looking forward to it. Make sure for those of you... I'm sorry, guys. So once again, make sure for those of you that have joined late, you can watch the live stream from the beginning once it's published. We had a lot of the good trading happening today, 15 out of 15. So that was it, guys. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you, Badger. It was really nice